Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, if you know you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So, let's do a quick analysis on GBPJPY, right? So, first of all, we can see that this GBPJPY we are on a bearish move. So, first of all, let's start with this trend. We will take a look at this as a lower lows, right? Then we will take a look at this as a correction, right? A new lows was made here. We saw that this new lows actually broke this previous lows, right? Guess what we had again? A new low and dual highs, right? And guess what? A new lower lows. So make sure you subscribe. Click on that subscribe button if you've not subscribed. Make sure you like and also make your comments or watch out for it. So now this GBP JPY will be expecting a new lows, right? We'll be expecting that new lows that will be made to actually break this lows, right? Because that this is the our previous lower lows, right? So a new lows that needs to be made that will break this previous lower lows. So GBP JPY, we are expecting a bearish move, so be expecting a drop. Now, one of the let's take a look at the second one. Why we'll be expecting a drop is that this is our moving average. We all know how to trade this moving average, right? Once the price is above our moving average, we all know that it is a buy. We have to go long, but once it is below our moving average, it is a sell. We have to short it. So it clearly comes that this price is below our moving average. So this is to tell you that this price is going bearish. GBP, JPY, we are on a bearish move, right? We have to go bearish. So now let's see if this price will actually drop to the same level, this candlestick wick here. This is what I want you guys to be watching for. So if you are watching it early, because this is the London section, London section, we should be able to hit our targets. What I will be expecting is that we should see a drop here, right? A correction will be made on this GBP, JPY. Then what will happen next is another drop needs to come to take this ice, possibly break below it. And if it does not, then we should expect a pullback at this level, right? Once the pullback has been made, then expect another bearish move. So above all, GBP JPY, we are expecting a bearish move. So you should be seeing lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So GBP to JPY, we are on a bearish move. And one of the reasons why we are having this bearish move is that take a look at this JPY index, right? Take a look at it. We're having a bullish move on our JPY to JPY index. So we all know that once we're having a bullish move on our JPY index, then any other currency pairs will be trading to our JPY must definitely give us a bullish move. So we clearly can see that this JPY index will have given us a bullish move. You can see lower higher highs, higher lows, right? Higher highs that was made here. We told you guys a correction needs to be made here. So if we follow consistently, we have seen how we add this correction here. Now a new highs has been made. So this is where we see this price. We saw that price has reacted to this level, right? Right? We saw price react to this level, right? So we're definitely going to see price react at this level. So let's see this JPY index push up a bit further. Then a little pullback will be made. After the pullback has been made, guess what we'll be having again? Another ice. So we want to see this ice kind of take out this candlestick with here. By next week, though, we'll be able to take out this ice. So watch out for next week. From this today's Friday, to next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. At least by next week, we should be able to take out this candlestick week. So this JPY, right? This JPY will be expecting a bullish move. Now, see as we are going bullish, right? We see that we are going bullish on this JPY index. One of the reasons why we are having a drop on this GBP to JPY. So as we will be having a pullback at this level, right? As we'll be having a pullback at this level, which will be giving us a bearish move, be expecting a pullback also at this GBP JPY level, which will give us like a bullish move. Then once this JPY index continues its bullish move upward, then they're expecting a continuous bearish move downward on GBP JPY. So GBP JPY, we are going bearish, but I think you should substitute GBP JPY and trade CAD JPY. One of the reasons why I'm saying that you should rather trade CAD JPY to JPY is that we see that once this GBP JPY actually GBP JPY take this level, right, price might actually push up, which you might not be able to grab much movement. And again, this PS is super volatile, so I think you should go for CAD JPY. One of the reasons why I'm expecting, you see, I also took a trade on CAD JPY. You can see I'm also going short on CAD JPY. One of the reasons why I'm going short on CAD JPY is that you can see our CAD PS CAD is dropping. If you take a look at GBP CAD GBP is going bullish against the CAD. If you take a look at New Zealand CAD, you see that New Zealand dollar is going bullish against the CAD. If you take a look at CAD Swiss franc, you see that CAD is dropping against our Swiss franc. So that is to tell you that CAD itself is dropping. Any CAD currency is dropping. And when you take a look at this JPY and it's giving us a bullish move. I mean, CAD is dropping, it's giving us the bearish move, it's giving us downward movement, while JPY index is giving us bullish movement. So it will make sense for you to actually go and take a trade on this card. Take a look at this card. We have gotten about, since once this price has opened, we have actually made about 100 plus pips, right? We've made about 100 plus pips bearish move. This we have actually made about 100 pips, by the way. So once price gets to this level, we might be having a pullback, which we might not have much more movement to go down. But this card JPY, we still have at least good amount of movement. So we want to see this card drop to this, take out to this level. So this is the level we would all be watching out for. So that is why I'm saying, instead of placing your trade on GBP card, GBP JPY, rather place it on card JPY. But if you still want to short this GBP JPY, it is still fine. Go ahead. There's no problem about that. So possibly you can watch out for a pullback around this level. Once price comes to this level, you should watch out for a pullback. Once the pullback has been made, then you can continue this bearish move on GBP JPY. Still no problem. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame actually says. So the 4-hour time frame still says bearish, right? So we want to take out this candlestick wick here. So we are seeing this price drops. So the next level we'll be seeing this GBP JPY drops to with this candlestick wick here. Like I said, once this price gets to this level, we should expect a pullback before we continue the bearish move. So we can see 4-hour time frame bearish, and you can also see that this 4-hour time frame is below the moving average. So above all, GBP JPY, we should expect a bearish move and we should continue to go bearish for the day.